Feeling like Steve-O, see a pussy nigga through the peephole. Hit him with the beam, no. Diamond shine, hit him with the gleam, no. Game on lock, no keyhole. 50K on the T-Fo. Bugatti with all the speed, though. Bet they won't find me like Nemo. Yeah. Taking that bitch straight to Mickey D's. She want a burger and 10-piece. Might catch a murder, it's tempting. Want everybody remember me. I aim at the head of an enemy. I swear this little Dottie, she into me. I'm taking her soul and her energy. That shit, it just fill up my energy. Make me just feel like my enemy. I might just turn into my inner beast. No rental choppers, we in the streets. You niggas got fucked up energy. Come on, big dog, where you wanna meet? Come on, big dog, where you wanna meet? Come on, big dog, where you wanna meet? Bitch, on this shit like my busty. That little bitch is a busty. That little bitch wanna fuck me, but that little bitch is too dusty. She probably got crusty, so crusty.
What's up, what's up, what's up, YouTube? It's your girl, officially Minnie, and I am back with another video. As y'all can see from the title, today's video is going to be a mukbang, breakfast mukbang / Q&A. I asked a couple of y'all on my Facebook page to give me some questions on what y'all want to know. What do y'all want answered in this video? You feel me? Because I don't want to just be sitting here just eating and y'all just watching me eat and don't nothing happen. Like the bug. But yeah, I got a couple of questions. I mean, it's not a lot. Like, it's kind of like a little extra, but it's cool, I guess. It really don't matter. I got them written down. Y'all excuse my old ass binder thingy, zipper thingy that I had from high school, because I can't find a regular notebook nowhere. So anyway, let's go get this food and hop right into this video. So for starters, just tell y'all what I got right here on my plate. I got pancakes, eggs, bacon, sausages, and some cheesy grits. So I don't know if I want to start with a question or start with a bite. I think I'm just trying to multitask a little bit. Oh yeah, and I got orange juice. To remind y'all, it's like, I want to say like 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock in the afternoon right now. And I'm fucking eating breakfast food, but it don't matter. I didn't feel like cooking nothing else for this video, so I said I'm gonna just think something simple. Anyway, I guess I'm gonna just try to do both at the same time. First question is, what is your biggest pet peeve? Do not get me started. Well, there's a lot of different ones, but one that I can say is my biggest is asking me what I call common sense ass questions. That's the number one. Like, that tops the cake. Like, bro, do not ask me nothing that you already either A, know the answer to, or B, you know it's a stupid question. Like, that's you wasting my time and yours, but more importantly mine. Next question, biggest regret. Ooh, that's a good question. My biggest regret, honestly, I would say, if I had to pick out of anything, not finishing school the right way, if you know what I mean. Like, I ain't even really gonna get into all that, but y'all, for all the freshmen, sophomore, junior, seniors that's watching my video right now, stay in school, do it the right way, because their work is hard to catch up on. And baby, I tell you, when I tell you, I graduated by a hair. Literally. No cap. That shit was hard as fuck. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But I made it. So that's all that matters, I guess. Next question. Next question. Favorite sport. Honestly, I got probably 3 favorite sports. I got tennis, track, and volleyball. I played volleyball for 2 years when I was in middle school, my 7th grade and 8th grade year. I ran track for 1 year. Hold on, no, I'm lying. I ran track for 2 years in middle school, 7th grade and 8th grade. I was gonna run track my freshman year in high school, but I went to that first practice and never came back. No, I was sore as fuck that day, later on that day, no cap. And tennis, I mean, I really used to play tennis in this old school program I was in. I kind of liked it. It's okay, it's cool, I guess. What is your favorite food? Boy, y'all really want to know. We got, well, my all-time favorite food has been macaroni and cheese and fried chicken. Like, that's just going to forever be my favorite. Like, I'll never get tired of it. If that's one food I had to eat for the rest of my life, I would. And I'll be fine. And some apple juice. Yeah. What else? Shrimp Alfredo. Because I make shrimp Alfredo all the time. I mean, that's just, I love it. Steak. I always buy me steak. Gotta have my steak. Put my shrimps on top of the steak like I'm, you feel me, a chef in a restaurant, you feel me, because I'm fancy like that. And last but not least, I'll say crab legs. I love crab legs. My dad got me hooked on the crab legs. What made you want to start a YouTube channel? I knew one of y'all was going to ask me this question, honestly. I was just waiting on it. But I had no problem with explaining. Believe it or not, I live a crazy fucking life. No cap. And to top it off, I'm a nutball. So it's like, I really be feeling like I used to always tell myself, I cannot be the only one to experience this lifestyle. Like, the world has to see this. That's it. Like, and y'all will understand where I'm coming from. My life is a fucking, ooh, I don't know how to explain it, but y'all, if y'all was in my shoes, y'all laugh y'all ass off. For real. So, really, that's the main reason. But other than that, I said you could start a career from it. So I was like, well, it wouldn't be a bad second source of income, you know. So I was like, I'll try it, see where it get me. If it don't work out, that's cool, but at least I tried it. That's one of the things on my bucket list. So, yeah. Next question is, do you have any talents? And if so, what are they? Yes, I have talents. Lots of them, plenty of them. I ain't gonna name them all because that's just doing too much, but to name a couple, of course I had to write them down. I rap, I dance, I cook, which most people wouldn't really think is a talent, but trust me, with me, when it comes to me, it's a talent. I do hair, I do my own hair. I've been doing hair since I was 12. I design / customize, whatever you want to call it, clothes and shoes. I don't draw on them though, like with the shoes, as far as the shoes go, like the rhinestones that girls be putting on their acrylics, I'll put them like on some shoes or whatever, jazz them up a little bit, you know. As far as the clothes, I do, you know, like my own ripped jeans. I'll make like my own halter tops. I'm working on getting a sewing machine so I can really start getting into making my own pieces and everything like that. And I'm gonna just start buying fabrics and doing it from there. But so far, all I know how to do is hand sew since I don't have a sewing machine. So I'm only able to do little stuff. But an actual outfit that I made a one piece out of some leggings. So what I did was basically, there was a great pair of leggings and I cut them basically into some shorts. The 2 leg pieces that I had cut off, and I sewed them to the waistband. And basically, after I sewed them to the waistband, I tied the ankle part around my neck. And obviously, since your back exposed and if you don't got no nipple covers on and your titties out, I had to put on a jean jacket over it, you know, because I didn't want to be that exposed. Cleavage. That's all I got so far. More coming soon though. Next question. Something a lot of people don't know about you. Well, honestly, a lot of people don't know I know how to rap. You would be surprised. It's already a lot of females that really don't rap for real, for real. Notice I said for real, because there's a lot of try to be rappers out here, but for real, I got bars. But my cousin had got me to rapping, my older cousin. When he had started, I had kind of picked up on it. So I had got me a little notebook or whatever. I started trying to follow in his footsteps or whatever. But yeah. I mean, I really don't rap for real. Like, I rap, but I don't really take it serious. I want to, but it's like, I don't know. Like, I need that extra push, you know? I've written down a couple stuff, but the funny part is I cannot freestyle. Can y'all believe that? Like, I know probably like, how you a rapper but you can't freestyle? Or how you know how to rap but you can't freestyle? First of all, bitch. I'm just playing. But I don't know, like, it's just hard for me. Like, stuff can't come to my mind that fast. Like, I can't just think of stuff to rhyme and then just boom, 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 right after each other. Like, I don't know, it's hard for me. I'm learning though, don't get me wrong, I'm trying. But as of right now, I don't got it down pat. Last question of the day. Last question of this video. What is your channel gonna be about? I knew one of y'all was gonna ask me this question too. And I really should have prepared for it more. Cause it's a lot. Like, I got a lot of ideas that I put down in my notes of what I really want to do with this channel. But to name a few, I got challenges, vlogs. Speaking of vlogs, I got a birthday vlog coming up. My birthday is February 13th, day before Valentine's Day. I got a birthday vlog coming up. I want to do a photo shoot, and if I do, the pictures will be included in that video. If not, then obviously y'all won't see none. I want to say the day before that, or whenever I start doing my birthday preparations, I'm going to do a vlog for that. So I'm going to do a vlog for birthday preparations, and I'm going to do a vlog for my actual birthday, like the day of. Y'all going to be with me all day, of course. So y'all get to see how I'm finna, you feel me, go crazy. Cause I got to go crazy. Just my nasty 19. Like, what are you talking about? But yeah, so be looking out for that. Of course, my birthday is on a Thursday, which I really said I was gonna upload on Wednesdays and Fridays. But I'm gonna slip an extra day in for y'all for that week, just so y'all can see, you know, what really goes on behind the scenes. What do we have next? We got story time. Get ready with me's. I got a story time coming up soon. I don't know when exactly I'm gonna do it. A lot of y'all been asking for a skincare video, so I think I might do that first, and then I'm gonna do a story time after that. But I don't know. We'll see. We got unboxing, smoke sessions, cause y'all got to smoke with me. You feel me? Cause I'm a stoner. You see what I'm saying? So a lot of y'all don't believe it, but I'm a big stoner. I smoke woods. I prefer woods over anything. I started with Swishers. Then I end up smoking woods. Like, I just went from Swishers to woods. Like, just ping pong, like, period. And I never went back to Swishers. If I don't have enough weed for a wood, then I prefer Dutchess. Honey Dutchess to be exact. But anything other than that, no, I don't want no Swisher. I don't want no Good Time. I don't want no none of them cheap ass 5 Swishers in the pack. No, none of that. I don't want no Garcia Vega. None of that. Don't give me none of that. If it ain't no Dutch or no wood, I don't want it. How to roll videos. And I actually got 3 versions of that. I'm gonna be doing a lot of how-tos already anyway. But how to roll specifically, I got 3 versions of that. I'm gonna do how to roll a Swisher. Even though I don't smoke Swisher, but I'm gonna go ahead and do one for y'all anyway, I guess. How to roll a Dutch and how to roll a backwood. These gonna be my versions of how I roll. You feel me? So I ain't gonna say how to roll. I should just say how I roll. I might just do that. That might just be the caption. We'll see when the time comes. The last one is trying different foods / mukbang. I always want to start trying different foods. Really, for real. And I never really got around to it. Like, I never really thought about it. Like, I eat Mexican food, but as far as, like, I always want to try, like, Japanese food and stuff like that. Asian food and shit. Like, you know, sushis. I said sushis. Sushi, dumplings, all that good stuff. Honestly, I've always been scared to eat raw fish because, like, I just always had this big fear of I'm going to get salmonella and damn near die. No cap. Because I can say I had food poisoning once, but, well, I guess you could say it was food poisoning. I had went to the fair, and I had got a milkshake, and, like, as soon as I had got right back to the crib, my stomach flipped. My stomach flipped. You feel me? Like, I felt so bad, y'all. Like, y'all don't even know. Like, my stomach went from here, as in being good, to shitty as hell. Like, y'all don't even know. Ever since then, every time I went to the fair, every time I went to the Steamboat Days, anything, like, I would never get no type of drink, no shake. Well, I get lemonade, but no shake, nothing milky, nothing with dairy, none of that. Nope, I don't trust it. I feel like I was gonna die, literally. Alright, y'all, so that wraps it up for this video. Let me know in the comment section down below what video y'all want to see next. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Please. I'm begging y'all. I ain't gonna get out on my knees, but I'm begging y'all, please subscribe to my channel. Watch my video all the way through. Don't skip nothing. Like, hold on, let me stop because I'm messing my bun up. Don't skip not one part, you feel me, of this video, because I'm trying to get from here to here. Right now I'm down here. I ain't even here yet. So I'm trying to, you feel me, skyrocket. But yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. I don't know what y'all want to see next, but of course I will find out. I will put up a poll and I'm gonna let y'all vote on whatever y'all want to see. Whatever got the most votes, that's what we're gonna go with. Until next time, see y'all later.